Welcome to Math Talk. Today we are going to learn test of divisibility. Test of divisibility in maths help one to check whether a number is divisible by another number without the actual method of division. Divisibility rules are introduced as a shortcut to find if an integer is divisible by a number without actual doing the whole division process. Let's see the test of divisibility one by one. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is even number or 0. Even number means 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. See, for example, 14. See the last digit, it should be an even number or 0. See 14. Next 22. See the last digit 2. It is an even number. So it is a divisibility by 2. 268. See the last number 8. 8 is an even number. So this number is divisible by 2. 540. See the last number is 0. So 540 is divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits in the number is divisible by 3. See, for example, 48. See, sum of the digits. So 48, we should write 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. So 12, in 3 tables 12 will come. So 48 is divisible by 3. Next, 123. So what do you have to do? We have to add the numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So in 3 tables 6 will come. So 123 is divisible by 3. 8,880. So we have to add the 4 numbers. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 0. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 0, 24. So 24. In 3 tables, 24 will come. So 8,880 is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. See, for example, 332. You have to check only the last 2 digits. See, 32. 32. 4 8s are 32. So, 332 is divisible by 4. Next, 620. See the last 2 digits, 20. 4 5s are 20. So, 620 is divisible by 4. 1200. Last 2 digits is 0. So it comes in the 4 tables. So 1200 is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is either 5 or 0. See, for example, 115. See the last digit, it should be 5 or 0. So 115 is divisible by 5. 225. See the last digit 5. So we can find easily that 225 is divisible by 5. See next example, 500. See last digit should be 5 or 0. So 500 is divisible by 5. Divisibility by 6. Number which are divisible by both 2 and 3 are divisible by 6. That is, if the last digit of the given number is even and the sum of its digits is a multiple of 3, then the given number is divisible by 6. See, for example, 48. See the last digit, it's a even number. When we add this, 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. It is a multiple of 3. See the next example, 168. See the last digit. So it's a multiple of 2 and we have to add this 1 plus 6 plus 8. is equal to 15. It's a multiple of 3. So it's a divisible by 168 is divisible by 6. Then see the next example, 375. See the last digit 5. It is not a multiple of 2. See, we have to add 3 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 15. It's a multiple of 3, but it's not a multiple of 2. So it is not divisible by 6. The number 375 is not divisible by 6. Divisibility by 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice digit in units place and the number formed by other digits is either 0 or a multiple of 7. See, for example, 357. How to find out? First, you have to write the first two digits, 35 minus 2 into last digit, units place, 2 into 7 is equal to 35 minus 2 into 7, 14. So 35 minus 14, 21. 21 will come in the 7 tables. So 357 is divisible by 7. Divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by last 3 digit is divisible by 8. See, for example, 1120. See the last 3 digit 120. So we have to divide 120 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8 minus 12 minus 8 4 0. So 8 fives are 40. So 1120 is divisible by 8. See, for example, next example, 50,448. So we have to check only the last 3 digits. 448 divided by 8. 8 fives are 40. 4. Next you have to bring the 8. 8 6 are 48. So the remainder 0. So 50,448 is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. See, for example, 108. So we have to find the sum. 1 plus 0 plus 8. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 8, 9. So 9 will come in the 9 table. So 108 is divisible by 9. Next example, 7,758. So we have to add 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. So 27 will come in the 9 table. So 7,758 is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. See, for example, 6,540. See the last digit 0. So 6,540 is divisible by 10. 8,000. See the last digit 0. So 8,000 is divisible by 10. Divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the sum of the digits in the odd places and sum of the digits in even places are equal to or differ by a multiple of 11. See, for example, 616. So first we have to find the odd places. See, 6 plus 6 minus even. This is first number, second number, third number. So even place, minus 1. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 minus 1, 11. So 616 is divisible by 11. See, next example, 2816. See, odd places, even places. First we have to add the odd places. 2 plus 1, minus even places. 8 plus 6. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 3 minus 14 is equal to minus 11. So 2816 will be divisible by 11. Divisible by 2. 1528. Last digit is even number. So it is divisible by 2. Next, divisible by 3. What's the rule? We have to add these numbers. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8. So 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 8, 16. 16 is not the multiple of 3. So it is not divisible by 3. Next, divisible by 4. What's the rule? 1528. First we have to check the last two digit. 28. So 4 sevens are 28. So it is divisible by 4. Divisible by 5. 1528. Last number should be 5 or 0. Here 8 is there. So it is not divisible by 5. Divisible by 6. Divisible by 6 means we have to, it should be the multiple of 2 as well as 3. So 1528. See the last number 8. So it is the multiple of 2. Now we have to check the multiple of 3. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 16. 16 is not a multiple of 3. So it is not divisible by 6. Divisible by 7. What's the rule? First we have to write the number. First 152 minus twice the number. You have to multiple. So 152 minus 10 is equal to 142. 142 is not come in the multiple of 7. So it is not divisible by 7. Divisible by 8. 1528. We have to check the last three digit. 528 is divided by 8. See, it is 6 times 48 minus 4. You have to bring the 8. Then again 6 times 48, 0. So it is divisible by 8. Divisible by 9. So we have to add these numbers. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 16. 16 won't come in the multiple of 9. So it is not divisible by 9. Divisible by 10. What's the rule? We have the last two digits should be 0 and 0. So it is not divisible by 10. Divisible by 11. So we have to add the first two odd places and we have to minus the second two even places. So 1 plus 2 minus 5 plus 8 is equal to 3 minus 13 is equal to minus 10. It is not a multiple of 11. So it is not divisible by 11. I hope you understood the test of divisibility. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you all.